Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Here we go. We are at Jack's. Sorry for the little breeze, but if you got a Volvo 850, this is your spot. They had 4 or 5 of them last time I was down here, and I need a power steering pump for Panther and a couple other little bits, so I am back. Hopefully they'll have something good here that I can use. Looking forward to it. In and out 30 minutes maybe. Hey, how you doing?
All right, and you?
Good so far.
All right, that's good.
Man, got a bunch of Beamers, bunch of Volkswagen. Ain't much space between them. Have fun with that. Good Lord. Got a Lexus down here. Bunch of BMWs. Man, this guy must got some BMW love. Alright. Second area down here. Now we're stacking Audis. Sure hope we still got 850's. A few solves. He's getting these sectioned off real nice. Need a couple of bits. Man, it looks like 850s are getting pushed back. There's an 850 there. I'm gonna check that one for a couple things and move on down here. Kicking off the day with John Ward. Got a little bit of a T5 addiction. He's got his 850R here, 850R over there. That's a T5. We are starting out putting new brake calipers on there, doing the brake system refresh. Calipers, rotors, new fluid. That way he can stop this thing. And John's gonna be riding smooth. He's doing the hubs too.
Well,
get this hub cap off.
I hope I had a flat blade screwdriver. Or both.
Alright, well, we got here a little late, so I wasn't able to film everything. But hey, there's things that you can see in the links. I'll link to them. But we put lowering springs, Vogelin lowering springs, painted calipers, fresh rotors, bled the brakes. We have the 302s on the front. New conies all the way around. So this car's been mildly slammed and ready to stop. Let me see if I could get a peek of those springs and shocks. Oh, I might add, we got fresh bump stops as well. So that's what we did. This car should be roadworthy now. Getting that mileage, boy. All right, let's check out how we did today. Today's trip. Maximum speed, average miles per hour, cost of gas, average gas mileage 27.7, and maximum temp 171 miles. That's my max RPM, almost 4 hours. That's my max miles per hour. That's what we got, folks, in the current trip. Start that back up. 29.4 miles per gallon. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.